Good afternoon, Brian with Grand Roofing. I'm calling all my roofer friends out there that are in the storm restoration insurance business. I've got something right here with a homeowner that need your help, if you don't mind. Just be a real quick, short video because I really don't know how to answer it. I know what I would like to say. If I was an insurance company, I'd be like, yeah, I got you covered. If it was me living here, I'd be like, no, you're gonna fix the damn thing. All right, so what we got here? Homeowner had an awning up last year, and it had blown off. Went up on the roof, smashed his gutter section here, seamless gutter. So this one went over the roof, damaged some shingles over there. But the question is after fighting his insurance back and forth, now, by the way, it's only like 5 shingles over there. Everything else is okay. It's more so the gutter issue. He said that he went around with his insurance company. They finally approved the gutter and the shingle repair. Now, the thing they're saying they're not doing on the gutter is covering the seamless gutter all the way down. Pretty long stretch. I'll show you why, or what they're claiming is. This is a duplex, or not a duplex, it's a condo. So there's a household over here, and if you look over here, these meters is about the dividing wall, goes up where there's another family side there. And it's not 2 gutters, it's 1 solid gutter all the way down over here. So does an insurance company get to say, well, we're gonna cut that, we're gonna cap it, and that's it? I mean, I always thought, especially if they approve it and say, yeah, you know, we're covering it, they're gonna pay for like materials, seamless gutter, and replace what you got. So let me know in the comments down below, should he, after they've said they're gonna do it, cut this over here, cap it, and run its own section just on the linear footage of what his house is, or do they just cover the whole thing? I mean, it's 1 section of gutter. You don't cover it, you're saving yourself a few $100, I guess. I don't know, but sure gonna give you a hell of a rap. I'm guessing it's probably State Farm. I really don't know who it is, but comment down below, let me know. I'd greatly appreciate it. This is what, March 11th or so, 2024. Getting ready to start the new year good. It's sunny, it's warm, about to ditch the long john shirt. Try to get some more content coming. I'm lacking there, I apologize. Good son, am I? We've had a lot going on trying to get the new barn for the company up and running, building the office in it, getting the renovation of the house done. So I'm going to try to get going on some more of this for you. But if you could, smash thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are on that insurance deal there. Until next time, be safe. We'll see you in the next video.